So you need to replace an old door because it's single pane glass, but you don't want to pay an arm and a leg. What are you going to do? Here we are today on Spirit of a Handyman to talk about just that thing. So, this is a door. It is an abnormally large door, 36 inches wide, 88 inches tall. So initially we were going to replace it with a steel door. This is a wooden door, and just be done with it. A new steel door costs like $200 to $300. Installed $300 to $400. Not a big deal. But to buy a custom sized door that was extra big was going to cost upwards of $1,000, which suddenly is a significant investment for a door that already is there. So read online that plexiglass was a better alternative than glass as far as durability. And sure enough, single pane glass is really fragile. You can break it with a heavy knock of the hand or a light tap of a hammer.
So my question as a home renter was, will the plexiglass break?
And according to what I read online, the answer was no, but it'd be good to test that. So here's some footage of both Cora and myself testing the back door plexiglass to see just how strong it is. And as you can see, we really gave it a pretty good beating, and the door itself started to move before the plexiglass would. So we remedied that by just adding a latch up here at the top. And now this wooden door is still the original door on the house, still has plenty of life left in it. And the plexiglass actually is a pretty good, pretty clear glass substitute. So all that was required was to pop off this quarter round, and then we put the plexiglass in there, and then you can see these little nail holes. Used a brad nailer to put that back in, caulked around the edge to kind of seal it up, here and here. And then that ended up securing it. There you go.
Yay!
So, yeah, save a lot of money by not having to go buy a new door, and then save the earth by not throwing an old door into a landfill. Instead, just replace the glass, substitute it with Plexi, and be kind.
Agreed. A handyman.